Business sentiment in the manufacturing sector should stay strong as activity has kept steady in December. What's more, production is expected to keep rising over the next 3 months. This is according to the latest Confederation of British Industry Industrial Trends survey, which surveyed 485 manufacturers in the UK. CBI said the output growth had been fairly steady ever since August and stayed above average this month. In particular, the motor vehicles and transport equipment sector saw growth rise to a 9-month high in December. With all manufacturers surveyed taken into account, it seems total order books edged up slightly, which keeps them strongly above average. Export order books stayed relatively weak, but they did improve slightly and rose to a 2-month high. According to 32% of firms, the volume of output has gone up over the last 3 months. Meanwhile, 19% of firms said it was down, which gives a balance of 13%. That's up from the historical average of 2%. Over the next quarter, a balance of 16% of businesses expect to see growth. Also, a balance of 5% say total order books are above normal, which is high above the long-run average of -16%. CBI Director of Economics, Rain Newton-Smith, said that despite the fact that the manufacturing sector slowed a little earlier in the year, the results of this survey shows that 2014 has ended on an upbeat note. She said the output is set to continue to grow in the new year, but one that the manufacturing sector still faces a challenging global backdrop. This is because the Eurozone has seen weak growth, while emerging markets have faced a difficult time. Ms. Newton-Smith added that this means that firms will need to look harder for chances to lift their exports to high-growth sectors around the world. This story was made possible by QBE, the business insurance specialist.